Okay, this is example number 9. So in this one, if the momentum of electron is changed by pm, then the de Broglie wavelength associated with it changes by 0.5%. So what is the initial momentum of electron? Okay, so we know this formula that wavelength is h by p. Okay, or we can write h is equals to, so lambda is equals to h into p inverse, or this thing you have remembered using when we used to do in errors, that we can to find the relative error, lambda, delta lambda by lambda will be equals to delta p by p. H is the constant, so we need not write here. Okay, and errors are positive, so it will be positive value, so delta p by p. Now they have given that momentum of electron is changed by pm. So delta p value they have given as pm. Okay. They have given that the de Broglie wavelength changes by 0.5%. Okay. So let's say if momentum increases by pm value, so wavelength will also increase by 0.5%. So 0.5% will be delta lambda. So substitute the values here, 0.5 lambda by 100 into lambda is equals to delta p is pm divided by p. So lambda gets cancelled. This will give you into 10. So you will get 20, or 1 by 200 will be pm by p, or that initial momentum p will be 200 times pm. Okay. So our options will be option C. Okay. Yeah, option C. So that's all. Thank you.